BMW M1000RR edition 50 years M.
Servus and welcome to MotorTop. Yeah, how to use the launch control of the M1000RR model of BMW. Yeah, it's very easy. It's the same as I already have done for the S1000R. So at first you start your engine. Then again you press the ignition button for about 2 seconds. Here you see 3 starts are available for the launch control, and then it's also possible to just to roll to your starting grid. Then you give full throttle and slowly release the clutch. That's it. So have fun and ride safe.